In the next 5 years, millions of people around the world will lose their jobs. Not because they failed, not because they lacked talent, and not because they refused to work hard. They will lose their jobs because machines learned to do the same work faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than humans ever could. This is not a distant future. This is not science fiction. And this is not a warning meant to scare you. This is already happening. For most of human history, work defined survival. People traded time and effort for security. And for generations, technology helped humans do more with less effort. Machines replaced physical labor. Farms became automated. Factories became faster. Transportation became cheaper. But through every technological revolution, one thing remained true. Humans were still needed to think. That is what makes artificial intelligence different. For the first time in history, machines are not only replacing human muscles. They are replacing human thinking. Artificial intelligence can analyze information. It can recognize patterns. It can learn from experience. And it can improve without rest. From offices to hospitals, from banks to classrooms, from creative studios to research labs, AI is no longer just a tool that assists humans. It is becoming a worker that competes with them. The real question is no longer whether jobs will disappear. That question has already been answered. The real question now is which jobs will disappear first, and how quickly the change will spread. Every major technology in history created new opportunities. The printing press, electricity, computers, the internet, each one eliminated certain roles but created entirely new industries. Artificial intelligence is different because it does not replace one type of work. It replaces the process of thinking itself. Modern AI systems can write professional emails in seconds. They can summarize legal documents more accurately than junior lawyers. They can analyze medical scans and detect diseases earlier than doctors. They can design graphics, edit videos, write music, and generate software code. These systems do not sleep. They do not take breaks. They do not request salaries. And they do not stop improving. Every day, AI models become faster, more accurate, and more capable. This is why the disruption feels sudden. Some jobs are already disappearing. Quietly, without public announcements, without dramatic headlines. Customer support roles are being replaced by automated chat systems. Many companies no longer hire entry-level support agents. They deploy AI assistants instead. Data entry jobs are vanishing. Tasks that once required hours of manual work are now completed instantly. Basic design work is increasingly handled by AI tools. Logos, presentations, simple branding, routine writing is generated in seconds. Reports, summaries, product descriptions. These jobs once employed millions of people worldwide. The change did not arrive with a warning. It arrived gradually, and then all at once. Many people believe that only low-skilled jobs are at risk. This belief is comforting, and it is wrong. Artificial intelligence is already assisting doctors in diagnosis. It helps lawyers review contracts. It supports engineers in system design. And it advises financial analysts. High-paying jobs are not immune. They are simply being automated more carefully. The difference is not salary. The difference is predictability. Jobs most at risk share common characteristics. They involve repetitive thinking, clear rules, predictable outcomes, and digital workflows. Administrative roles, basic accounting, entry-level programming, routine content creation. If a task can be explained step by step, AI can learn to perform it. And once it learns, it never forgets. This does not mean all jobs will disappear. Some roles are far more difficult to automate. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, deep human connection, ethical judgment, leadership, and creative decision-making. Teachers who inspire, therapists who understand emotion, strategists who navigate uncertainty, entrepreneurs who create opportunities. These roles will survive longer. But survival does not mean safety. Even these professions will change. They will evolve, and they will require new skills. The biggest mistake people make is believing they can ignore artificial intelligence. Ignoring AI does not slow it down. It only increases the risk of being left behind. The safest strategy is not to fight artificial intelligence. The safest strategy is to work with it. Learn how AI systems function. Understand their strengths and their limitations. Use them to increase your productivity. Use them to amplify your skills. Become the person who guides machines. The person who asks the right questions. The person who makes decisions machines cannot make alone. The future will not belong to those who work the hardest. It will belong to those who adapt the fastest. Subscribe for more.